This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shella Jean O'Brien. Sweet home located in Scottish Highlands, a sought-after 55-plus community that has a clubhouse and recreation center including billiards, 2 pools, 1 inside and out, fitness center, tennis courts for the active residents. If you want to be active, this is a great place with many amenities. Pride of ownership surely shows in this 2-bedroom 2-bath home. Offering a peaceful water view from this lovely home on a nice sized lot 76 by 113 by 76 by 120. Home features are ceiling fans in living room and both bedrooms as well as the Florida room. Roof 2021, AC replaced in 2012, water heater 2021, Whirlpool Dishwasher and Range approx 3 years old, marble window sills. Beautiful flooring coupled with vaulted ceilings help that feeling of an open floor plan. Galley kitchen offers a pantry and has granite countertops and a breakfast nook/dinette area. 15.7 by 13.4 Florida room with windows on 3 sides, nice and bright. Primary bath has a step-in shower. Second full bath is a tub/shower combo with handrails. Full 2-car garage with sliding sunscreen panels, pull-down attic access, double driveway parking. Centennial washer and Amana dryer are in the garage. Sit in the rear covered screened porch and enjoy the water view. Front foyer/porch is screened and under roof. Located close to the LEESBURG Mall and many other shops, medical and eateries. Don't forget to check out the happenings in LEESBURG, Mount Dora and Tavares. Orlando is a little over an hour away if you want to visit the theme parks. For more information, review the details below.